Alright, so I thought I'd jump on here and make a video. It's been a minute since I've made a trading video. I'm still trading, not as actively as I was at the start of the year. Haven't really done too much trading the last month or so, just been caught up with other things. So I thought I would pick up a funded account and do some trading the last week or two, just because things are settling down a bit overseas, so I'm feeling a bit more confident. Just thought I'd make a video on taking that on taking the payouts. Made about 4,000 this week, so be able to take out about half of that. So I'm going to request that. So I'll request the full amount, 1,828, which I think is around 2,500 AUD, something like that. So it's pretty good for a week. So week worth of trading. So we'll request payout. That'll come in next week at some point. And yeah, let's just have a look at the account, see how I traded last week. Essentially got funded. I think I started maybe on Wednesday the 3rd. Picked up this evaluation account. Got funded within five days, and then started on the 10th. So a couple of good days there. Wednesday. Friday, from memory, we were moving higher on the Nasdaq, so I was pressing pretty hard on that, taking advantage of it. One thing I have realized over time is that I don't need to trade every day. So these 2 days in particular, so the 16th and the 17th, tried a couple little. Actually, I think I only tried one or two little positions, and the market just wasn't doing anything. So I just walked away from it, right? So I'm realizing over time that you really don't need to trade every day to do well. For my type of style, I just need to identify these days when it's really moving in my direction and I'm seeing the market move well in terms of my strategy and how I look at things. And then when that's happening, that's when I try and step on the pedal and try and be aggressive on that particular session. So you can see that I did that on Friday. Was a good example, and then Wednesday, Thursday. So anyway, that was the week. Pretty straightforward. Made 3,656 in profit on this funded account. So I've withdrawn half of that, so that's about 2,500 Australians. That'll leave me with about 1,800 in drawdown going into next week. So I'll be able to use that to see how we go next week. I might try and record some of those trades. If I have the energy to do it, I'll try and record some of the trades and then might update it again next week, how this particular funded account's going, and yeah, just go from there. I think moving forward, I'm going to try and make more educational videos on how I look at the markets, some charting things, supply and demand, auction market theory, how I use the volume profile, and then some trading psychology and risk management stuff. So I'm going to just try and do all of that over time. I'll aim to try and put up something once a week, see how we go, and I'll try and capture some more live trades. So obviously I've still got 1,800 in drawdown now on this funded account moving into next week. So I'll trade that next week, and then I'll do some videos and do some live, try and capture some live trades on that as well.